The UK has marked a significant moment in the evolution of its military air power, with the official entry into operational service of the StormShroud drone. The announcement came as Prime Minister Keir Starmer visited Leonardo UK's facility in Luton, Bedfordshire, where BriteStorm is manufactured. The drone will be operated by 216 Squadron with support from the RAF Regiment. Described as a, quote, powerful deterrent amid growing threats from Russia and other adversaries, StormShroud is in line with the UK's commitment to NATO and European security. The StormShroud drone is intended to operate alongside fighter aircraft such as the Eurofighter Typhoon and F-35B Lightning to enhance the survivability of manned platforms, attracting attention and disrupting enemy radars. However, the drone will not be carried by fighter aircraft, but will instead be launched from the ground using a portable catapult system. The vertical takeoff and landing VTOL configuration of the Techheaver AR-3 is available, although the StormShroud example shown is not equipped with this capability. StormShroud is based on the AR-3 platform, manufactured by the British-Portuguese company Techheaver, with a range of around 100 kilometers. The system has proven its effectiveness in real-world operations, particularly in Ukraine. Ukrainian forces have used two Techheaver drones extensively, with over 10,000 flight hours accumulated in the intelligence and surveillance role. Based on this operational experience, the RAF has adapted the AR-3 into a dedicated electronic warfare asset by integrating Leonardo UK's BriteStorm payload. BriteStorm is a lightweight, modular jammer designed to disrupt integrated air defense systems, IADS, using sophisticated digital jamming and radar deception techniques. The system includes a customized miniature techniques generator, MTG, and transmit-receive modules, TRM, allowing it to disrupt enemy radar systems from long range. BriteStorm also benefits from a reprogrammable, open software architecture. Acting as an autonomous collaborative platform, ACP, the aircraft flies ahead of manned aircraft to suppress enemy air defenses, increasing operational effectiveness and pilot safety. Developed and delivered in less than 6 months by the RAF Rapid Capability Office, the DE&S Catalyst team and industry partners, leveraging urgent capability requirements UCRs to reduce costs and time. In terms of economic impact, the UK has invested an initial £19 million, supporting 200 highly skilled jobs across sites in West Wales and Somerset. Techheaver plans to invest £400 million over 5 years, potentially creating an additional 1,000 jobs. The RAF views StormShroud as the first of a family of ACPs, with plans to integrate more drones into its Global Combat Air Program, GCAP, which targets a 6th-generation fighter capability by 2035.